Hi all, welcome once again to my channel Green World Investor. Today we'll talk about real estate, in particular about the factors that led to a good performance in 2022 and why I believe that real estate still has legs going forward in 2023. So, yay, good news for all you new and existing investors in this sector. Real estate was one of the best performing sectors in 2022, and the year was a record breaking year, not only in terms of real estate sales, but also new launches, low interest rate, a cut in stamp duties, as well as an increase in work from home culture, all acted as strong tailwinds for this sector in the last year. After giving almost flat returns in the past few years, real estate was back with a bang. And we saw a rise in the prices, especially in some cities like Gurugram. Unlike equities and debt, real estate is an opaque sector, and hence getting details around price, inventory can be difficult for this sector. Also, there is a fair bit of cash transactions involved, some form of brokerage, some form of commission, kuch idhar se, kuch udhar se. So there is a fair bit of cash transactions involved in this sector. Yet the performance and the trend was quite clear, with land prices increasing in many cities. If I talk about Gurugram, the land prices increased from about 40 to 50,000 per square yard to 1.24 to 1.4 lakhs per square yard. Also, apartment prices gave good returns from 30% earlier to 60%. Real estate stocks, as I already mentioned, had are not quite transparent. However, with the recently launched indexes, real estate indexes, you can track the performance. For example, we have the BSC Realty Index, the Nifty Realty Index, the NHB Residex, and there are a few more. So these indexes still grant you some transparency around what is happening in this sector. I hope you find my advice useful. Please like my channel if you find it beneficial. Also, share the video for others' benefits. Thank you. Let's continue. So, what were the factors that led to such a successful year for the real estate in 2022? During the first half of the year, housing loans were quite affordable and could be availed at nearly 6.5 to 7%, which was quite cheap. Also, affordability was at its decadal best, with price to income ratios nearly reaching the lows, as incomes had sufficiently increased, whereas the real estate prices almost remained flat. Debt and equity performance was very tepid, and real estate sector tends to perform has a weak performance at times of inflation. Also, policies like RERA came in support of the real estate, with the government giving tax benefits for lower income consumer groups. So, real estate cycle is generally long. Hence, you can expect the good returns to continue over 2 to 3 years. Also, price increases bring along with it momentum investors. If we talk about interest rate hikes, which is a raging topic across the world, interest rates are now expected to remain stable, with it now reaching near the comfortable level of 8.5%. If we talk about the US Fed, they have also cleared their stance that their pace of interest rate hike is going to be low, it's slow in the US. From the expected 50 basis point, it is now going to be around 25 basis point in the next meeting, which is the trend which is followed worldwide. If we talk about India, not much of a hike is expected, as RBI is also nearing the end of its cycle. In closing, I would just like to say that the demand for real estate is never gonna die. If we talk about India, or even I'm sure for other countries, a home is a safe and secure place for yourself. दुनिया में थक हार के बाहर खट के आप अपने घर आते हो. So it has a very soft and sentimental space in everybody hearts, and everybody wants to have the place of their own. Given the rental economy also, we all know that rental yield is good, yet your elders will always advise you to have a place of your own, to buy your own property. Why? Because they know that in distressing times, a home, if you have a home, you have it all. So demand for real estate is never going to die. And most people also want to upgrade their lifestyles. If they want to move to bigger homes, also there are new investors who are entering the space. People want to move to gated society with more amenities. So there is always a demand. There are always one class of people moving from one type of property to another. So this demand scene is going to continue. Also, the luxury segment got a huge boost and is expected to grow in future. Besides, there is a huge demand in the affordable as well as mid segment as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and also share it with others. Have a nice day. Bye.